So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding. I am Ayush Bakshi. So today I am going to explain you another C program that is web to reverse an array. So suppose I give input uh, 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 and we can swap it like 4 5 4 3 2 1, reverse it. So we can show our question about the header file, and let's start our today program. At first we should declare the macro constant variable has defined max 100. This will be make the array size always 100. Then we declare all the variables int array max, and then we define all the variables I, n, and then we print a message using printf function to the screen of the console. Enter the size of the array, and then taking the input from the user using scanf function %d and %n, and then take a for loop that basically help to supply the indexes, and it basically help to store the user giving input to the each array indexes. So for I is equal to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus, we should all know that for loop will be divided into three parts. First we initialize it, and first we give the condition, and then we give the condition, and then we increment that variable. So here we do same thing, that is I is equal to 0, initialize the variable of the I 0, and then give a condition and then increment the I value, and then we open the for loop, and under the for loop body we write a statement that is show a message to the screen or console using printf function. So printf new line, enter the element in the array, in the array %d, and do here I plus 1. This will really help to start the array index from 1, because array index normally start from the 0. We all know indexes start from 0 to n minus 1. So we take the input from the user using scanf function %d and %array I, and then here we write another for loop, uh, and write it start from I is equal to 0 and go to I less than n minus 2. This basically ensure the array we are not include already swept array or already swept array element. Then I plus plus, and there we declare another variable that is temp, that basically help to swap, and we write here temp and store if array I value into the temp, and then we write array I, and array I is equal to array n minus I minus 1. This basically helps to ensure this condition I minus I minus n minus I minus 1. This basically helps to ensure that we are not swapping the index that already swapped. We're not stored the value swapping index that are already swapped. So array n minus I minus 1 is equal to temp, and then here we print a message using printf function. Reversed array is and here we print all the array elements. So I is equal to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus, and take and write a statement inside the for loop body using printf function, that is new line %d array I. So our program is ready, guys. Let's run it. Size of the array is 4, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. You can show the reversed array is 6, 5, 4 and 3, right? So how it is working, let's diagram it and understand it betterly. So at first we take the inputs are, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our current I value is 0, and then 0 less than, oh sorry, our size of the array is 4. N, it means n is equal to 4. So our n is 4. 4 by 2 means we get this basically division operator. It's given, it's basically return the quotient. So if we divide 4 by 2, it gives remainder 2. So here we check 0 is less than 2. Yes, condition to enter into the for loop body. So here temp is equal to array I. So array I value is currently 0. So array index 0 element will be 3. So we can store the 3 value into the temp and temporary variable, and then after here array 0 position we store the value is array n minus I minus 1. So our n value is 4. 4 minus I is currently 0 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So array 3 current value is 6. So we stored the value 6 into 0th positions, and then here we store array 3 position, the temp value is 3, and then again the for loop will be iterated and I value will be incremented, and 0 becomes 1, and it checks 1 less than 2, condition true. So array 0 is, so our swept array we write here, swept array we write here 6 and 3, and we come here and I value will be incremented and becomes 1. So 1 less than 2, condition to enter into the for loop body, and temp is equal to array I current value is 1. So in the 1 number position value is 1. We so stored 1 value in the temporary variable, and then it's come here. So I current value is 1. So we stored array 1. In the array 1 is, so our n value is 4 and I value is 1. So 1 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So array 2 current value is 5. To store value 5 into the array 1 index, and then it comes here. So we store array 2 index value is, we store n minus array n minus I minus 1 in temporary variable value. So temporary variable's current value is 1. So we store array array 1 index the 5 value 5, and we store array 2 number index value is 1. So we write here the output is 5 and 5 and 5 and 2. So our reverse array will be 6, 5, 2. 6, 5. Sorry, it's 4 not 2. So it's 4 not 1. So it's 4. So our swept, so our reversed array is 6, 5, 4, 3. So that's why it, guys, and this is our program, and goodbye.